Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown, pergola versus gazebo. Which outdoor structure is right for you? Whether you're looking to upgrade your backyard, create a cozy patio hangout, or build the perfect spot for summer gatherings, we've got you covered. After researching countless models, reading tons of reviews, and testing out options from dependable brands, I've narrowed it down to the 5 best pergolas you need to know about. The perfect outdoor living solution. Gazebos and pergolas are both popular choices when it comes to creating stylish, functional outdoor living spaces. But what's the difference between the two? A gazebo usually features a fully covered roof and often includes enclosed sides, making it a great option for shelter and privacy. A pergola, on the other hand, typically has an open roof design with slats or levers that provide partial shade and an airy, modern aesthetic. In this video, our goal is to help you decide which outdoor structure best suits your needs and introduce you to some of the best pergolas available today. Gazebo features and benefits, a versatile choice. Gazebos are known for their freestanding structure, full roof coverage, and sometimes even enclosed walls. They're ideal for all-weather use and offer a defined space for dining, relaxing, or hosting events. One of the main benefits of a gazebo is its versatility. It can function as an outdoor kitchen, hot tub cover, or party space. Gazebos are also relatively easy to assemble and come in a wide range of sizes, styles, and price points to match any backyard aesthetic. Pergola features and benefits, a stylish and customizable option. Pergolas feature an open roof design, often with adjustable louvers making them highly customizable. They can be attached to your home or stand alone and are perfect for creating stylish outdoor zones. Pergolas can be fitted with curtains, retractable canopies, or even pull-down screens for added privacy and sun protection. Their modern design adds architectural interest to your yard, and because they're usually made with durable aluminum or steel, they offer long-lasting performance. Now, let's jump into our top 5 pergola picks. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Purple Leaf 12 into 20 feet. Permanent hardtop aluminum galvanized steel double roof gazebo. Pergola. Transform your backyard with this stunning permanent pergola gazebo hybrid. Built with a galvanized steel double roof and a rust-irresistible aluminum frame, this unit handles all weather conditions with ease, from strong winds to heavy snow. The included curtains and mesh panels offer year-round comfort, privacy, and UV protection. Spacious enough for large gatherings and elegant enough to elevate your garden's aesthetics, this model sets the standard for luxury outdoor living. Number 2. MIRADOR Modern Style 10 into 20 feet Louvered Pergola. If you're looking for style and function, this modern louvered pergola delivers. With adjustable roof slats that you can control with a simple sling system, you can shift from full sun to total shade in seconds. It's made with galvanized steel for extreme durability and features an integrated drainage system that channels rainwater through the legs. The minimalist design fits beautifully on patios, rooftop terraces, or in lush gardens, making it a top contender for best pergola of the year. Number 3. YITAHOME 12 into 20 feet. HardTop Metal Gazebo. This spacious double-roofed gazebo is built to impress. With enough room for 8 to 10 guests, it's perfect for weddings, BBQs, or weekend chill-outs. The powder-coated aluminum frame resists rust and fading, while the included mesh and polyester sidewalls provide excellent protection and privacy. It also includes a center hook for hanging lights or fans, making it a comfortable multi-season retreat. With easy-to-follow instructions and video guides, assembly is a breeze. Number 4. FansaFurn 10 into 12 feet Adjustable Louvered Pergola. Looking for a compact yet stylish solution? The FansaFurn Louvered Pergola offers a modern design with dual adjustable roofs, letting you customize sun and shade at will. Built with high-strength aluminum and a powder-coated finish, it withstands wind speeds up to 72 HP. It features a built-in drainage system and provides 99% year-round addition to decks, poolsides, or garden spaces. Number 5. MELLCOM 12 into 20 feet. Louvered Pergola with 6-panel pull-down screen. Combining sleek design with incredible functionality, This MELLCOM pergola features dual adjustable roofs and 6 pull-down screen panels that provide privacy and protection from the elements. It's perfect for those who want flexibility and elegance in one package. The aluminum and alloy steel frame is powder-coated for rust resistance and long-term durability. The integrated drainage system handles rain with ease, keeping your space dry and inviting, ideal for both residential and commercial settings. Gazebo versus pergola. Which is right for you? Choosing between a gazebo and a pergola comes down to a few key factors. Cost. Pergolas tend to be more affordable and customizable, while gazebos offer more shelter and all-weather protection. Space. Gazebos require more vertical clearance and space, while pergolas can adapt more easily to different layouts. Function. If you need year-round weather protection, a gazebo may be your best bet. If you want flexible shade and a modern look, go with a pergola. Use visuals to compare each feature side by side. This helps highlight key design and functionality differences. Making the right choice for your backyard oasis, pergola or gazebo. What's your pick? Both offer unique benefits, but the choice depends on your personal style, budget, and how you plan to use the space. Pergolas offer elegance and flexibility, while gazebos deliver shelter and classic charm. Thanks for watching Review the Best Buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews and outdoor living tips. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.